Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and opening the Captain app. This prevents rejections. Once done, sign in with your registered mobile and tap profile. Make sure documents are current, insurance, RC, and a clear vehicle photo, because the system validates immediately. Now navigate to Vehicles or Documents section and choose Edit on the vehicle you want to update. This first step saves time later and triggers the verification workflow, so complete every field carefully before you submit changes to avoid back-and-forth. You now perform the detailed update. Tap Edit and replace the vehicle number using the exact format required, no extra spaces or symbols. Next, upload high-resolution photos, one front, one side, and the RC/insurance as PDFs or clear images. Make sure file sizes and dimensions match app limits, since oversized files fail. Then fill supplementary fields like model, color, and engine number so verification officers get context. Once complete, review every entry. Inconsistent details are the most common reason for. You finish by submitting the change and watching the status in app. Verification typically takes 24 to 72 hours. If approved, the new vehicle number becomes active automatically. If the update is rejected, read the rejection notes carefully, correct the specific fields, and resubmit right away. Don't rewrite everything. If verification stalls beyond the expected window, open a support ticket with the ticket ID, attach screenshots, and escalate via an app chat. This targeted troubleshooting usually resolves holdups quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.